So
Now I'm
guys,
gonna be recording.
Aiden's recording.
Hello.
And y'all want me to show y'all some of my monkey tricks in the wilderness? Because
I got more monkey shit than her.
what you just say?
Nothing.
So guys, Aiden, face the camera to me.
I'm going somewhere so I can show them.
Aiden!
Oh shoot, 2 dogs. I'm out. Let me go show them.
Where?
Over here. If you see a white thing right there, that's a dog. You see it is moving.